Hi everyone, this is teacher Julz once again and welcome to another MATHastic lesson. In today's video, we're going to talk about the greatest common factor or the GCF. And by definition, greatest common factor or the GCF is the largest factor which is common in the given numbers. There are three ways in getting the GCF: by listing, by factor tree, or by the continuous division. In listing, what we're going to do is to list all the factors of a given number. For example, we have here 10 and 20. In 10, we're going to get first the factors of 10, which is 1, 2, 5, and 10. Next is the 20. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now, what we're going to do next is to find the common factors of the two number. We have 1, 2, 5, and 10. We're going to get the greatest of it, so the greatest number is 10, so our GCF is 10. Next method, we're going to use the factor tree method. In this method, we're going to get the prime factors of a given number. For example, the numbers 10 and 20. Get the factors of the first number, which is 10. The factors are 2 and 5. Since 2 and 5 are already prime numbers, therefore, the factor of 10 is 2 times 5. Next, the number 20. Factor out 20, and that is 2 times 10. We can still factor out 10, and the factors of it are 2 and 5. And since they are already prime numbers, therefore the factors of 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. Next, we're going to get the common factors of the two numbers, and that is 2 and 5. And 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Therefore, the greatest common factor or the GCF of 10 and 20 is 10. The third and the last method is the continuous division method. In this method, what we're going to do is to divide the given numbers up to the last number divisible by it. So let us divide 10 and 20 using this symbol, divide. So what number is common to them? We can divide both number by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Go back to the first step. Divide the two numbers again, and we can divide them by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Since we cannot find any number divisible by both numbers, then we can take now the common factors, which is 2 times 5, and that is equal to 10. Therefore, the greatest common factor or the GCF of 10 and 20 is 10. So as what you have observed, either of the method you can use, whether it is listing, using the factor tree, or the continuous division, as long as the process is correct, you'll get the same greatest common factor or the GCF. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to click the like button. And if you're new in my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated on my next videos. Thank you.